Hey guys, so today we're going to be looking at fractions as division, and we went over this in class a little bit for the NC check-in to review a little bit. So this is when we can move this over here. What's being shared? So what is shared? Over how many are sharing? So what is shared over how many are sharing? So if we look at number 3 on page 505, which if you have your Go Math book and want to follow along, please get this out. So we have 12 friends sharing 3 melons equally. What fraction of a melon does each friend get? So it already has 3 divided by 12, which as a fraction, we have 12 friends and 3 melons are being shared. So what's being shared is 3 melons. So we know that 3 is going to be our numerator. How many people are sharing it? 12 friends. So 3 divided by 12 is the same as 3 twelfths. So each friend is going to get 3 twelfths of a melon. But looking at this, 3 twelfths can be simplified, so we need to ask ourselves, what's the biggest number that both of these can be divided by? And it would be 3. I'm going to divide the top and bottom by 3, and that's going to give me 1/4. So each friend would get 1/4 of a melon. So let's look at number 4. We have 3 students who are sharing 8 blocks of clay equally. How much clay does each student get? So what is being shared is 8 blocks of clay. How many people are sharing it? 3 students. So 8 divided by 3 is 8/3. I want to convert this into a mixed number since it's an improper fraction. So I'm going to set this up with long division just so you can see it visually. So my divisor becomes my 3. My dividend is an 8. So I'm going to ask myself, how many times will 3 go into 8? 3, 6, 9. 9's too much, so it only goes in twice. 2 times 3 is 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. Nothing else to bring down. So my number up here, I'm just going to write over number 6. My answer becomes my whole number. My remainder becomes my numerator, and I keep my original denominator, which is 3. So 2 2/3. Each student gets 2 2/3 blocks of clay. All right, let's look at number 5. So we have 4 students who share 7 feet of ribbon equally. How many feet of ribbon does each student get? So what's being shared is 7 feet of ribbon. How many students are sharing it or things are sharing it? 4. 4 students. So 7/4 would be my fraction. I'm going to convert this into a mixed number. I'm going to put this little thing here so I can work it out. So I'm going to set it up as long division. My denominator becomes my divisor. My numerator becomes my dividend. So I'm going to ask myself, how many times will 4 go into 7? So 4 will only go into 7 one time. 1 times 4 is 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. Nothing else to bring down. So my answer becomes my big whole number. My remainder becomes my numerator, and I keep my original denominator of 4. So my answer would be each student's share is 1 3/4 feet of ribbon. Now we're going to look at number 6. So 8 girls share 5 fruit bars equally. What fraction of a fruit bar does each girl get? So what's being shared is 5 fruit bars. How many people are sharing it or things are sharing it? 8 girls. So it's going to be 5 eighths. This cannot be simplified. So my answer is that each girl's share is 5 eighths of a fruit bar. So what you really need to remember is what is being shared over how many things or people are sharing it. And that is all for today. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you.